Hi, we just looking for the Mercedes GLE 2020 running board because the car was basic car. We just locate a part from US. We ordered the whole set for the customer and just received it. We booked the car here for a day. As you see on the video, we have to take the old panel off and then refit it back with a new one. And as you see, it looks much sportier and it costs the customer much cheaper because dealership it comes $1,200 with the original for each side. We did both sides for under $1,000 including the labor. If you have Mercedes, BMW, SUVs, you want a running board on it, you can contact us at Pars Moto. Any other job, any other need, just tell us. Papa is here to help you. Thank you.